We believe after this project is complete and fully commissioned, the water to Nairobi, the rationing will now be reduced significantly, because in the plan, Nairobi will take 120,000 cubic meters per day. We leave around 7,000 to Murang'a, another 7,000 to Kiambu, and 7,000 to Machakos. That is Mavoko area up to Earth River. And mainly we are targeting the EPZ because we have a lot of industries that require a lot of water in that area.
Ultimately, as the Principal Secretary has stated, Gataga community will be getting about 10,000 cubic meters per day. Those offtakes have been done, and you witnessed one was commissioned by His Excellency the President. In Kiambu, we've made various offtakes, especially around one towards Roiro. The other one is in Kiambu and onwards towards the Ruda area, which will be serving the Kiambu communities and serving them with about 10,000 cubic meters per day. And ultimately, 120,000 cubic meters per day will be available for equitable distribution within the city.
We are not yet there. We have not yet been able to meet the demand for water in Nairobi or Kiambu. Neither have we been able to meet the demand for the people of Murang'a, but we are doing our best. The CEO has mentioned we have a number of projects on the pipeline. But while here, we have also made a request to the PS. You know, we are adding a lot of water to the Kaini Dam, and there has been a great outcry. It's one of the challenges that the President told me to address as the Chair Adi. We have made our request to the Ministry, sought support. We have also made an application to ASREB, who is our regulator, for the management of the Northern Connector Tunnel and also the Kaini Dam. Because as you realize, we are adding water to the Kaini because the Kaini is a cross-county infrastructure. It is supplying water to Murang'a, Kiambu, and Nairobi.